Overnight, Dow Jones recovered from intraday lows and traded mostly in green as investors were seen shrugging off renewed US-China trade worries. Stocks initially sold off after China moved to tighten its grip on global shipping, adding fuel to an already volatile global trade backdrop. The big question, will Nifty manage a similar feat in today's session? Honestly speaking, Dalal Street was seen ignoring positive inflation data in the form of CPI and WPI numbers. Hence, utmost caution warranted until Nifty clears its immediate hurdle at 25351. A good news to cheer though, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, on Tuesday raised India's gross domestic product, GDP, growth forecast for 2025 to 26, FY26, by 20 basis points, BPS, to 6.6%, citing a strong first quarter that more than offset the impact of the US rate hike in its latest World Economic Outlook report. The IMF also revised the growth forecast for 2026 to 27, FY27, upwards by 20 BPS to 6.2%. Market trends. Global cues are positive. FII sold to the tune of 1,508.53 crores rupees. DIIs were net buyers at 3,661.13 crores. Sentiment expected to be neutral. Market breadth is expected to be positive. Technicals suggesting rebound play for Nifty. F&O data suggests Nifty's trading range likely to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, rose even higher to 11.15 levels. USD INR futures for October expiry traded firm at 88.86. Nifty PCR, 28 October, seen at 0.99. Bank Nifty PCR, 28 October, seen at 0.96. Nifty outlook, confirmation of strength only above 25,351 mark. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 25,146. Support seen at 25,021 on closing basis. Immediate hurdle seen at 25,351 mark on closing basis. Nifty's range likely to be between 25,000 to 25,278 zone. Bias likely to be neutral. Sensex CMP 82,030. Support seen at 81,600 on closing basis. Resistance seen at 82,550 mark on closing basis. Range likely to be between 81,500 to 82,490 zone. Bias likely to be neutral. Bank Nifty CMP 56,496. Support seen at 55,900 levels on closing basis. Resistance seen at 56,900 levels on closing basis. Range likely to be between 56,000 to 56,800 zone. Bias likely to be neutral. Stock market news. FII selling has resurfaced this week, especially after last week's robust buying. The selling can be attributed to re-strengthening of the US dollar and already ongoing tariff wars. For markets to reclaim fresh highs during festive season, FII's buying participation is required as well. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Tech Mahindra on Tuesday reported a 4.44% decline in its September quarter net profit to 1,194.5 crore rupees. 2. ICICI Lombard General Insurance reported an 18% year-on-year jump in net profit in the July-September quarter of FY26, Q2 FY26, to 819.54 crore rupees from 693 rupees. 95 crore in Q2 FY25, aided by healthy growth in total income. 3. Infosys has landed a £1.2 billion, $1.59 billion or 14,000 crore rupees contract from the NHS Business Services Authority, NHSBSA, to modernize its workforce management system in England and Wales, marking one of the largest deals in recent times amid a challenging macroeconomic environment. Q2 earnings coming this week. Wednesday, 15th October Axis Bank, HDFC AMC, and HDFC Life. Thursday, 16th October Heavyweights Infosys, Jio Financial, LTI Mindtree, Mastek, Nestle India, Wipro, and Zee Entertainment. Friday, 17th October Reliance Industries, the centerpiece of the earnings season.